Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money online with Shopify. And don't worry, we will not sell anything, we will not dropship anything. I'm actually going to show you how to find thousands and thousands and thousands of Shopify stores totally free. You don't have to invest any money. And also I'm going to give you some tips and advices that may help you to make even more money. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to go on Google, and then here in search bar you need to type myip.ms, okay, and press enter, and then you need to click here on this first result. Now this is really important part of the video, so please pay close attention. Here in search bar you need to type exactly this number. That is really important, because that is an IP address of Shopify, and then you need to press enter. And now here you can see IP address of Shopify and some other important informations. So what you need to do, you need to click here, other sites on this IP, okay? And verify that you're a human being, give it a second, and when you scroll here you can see all the stores that are actually registered on Shopify. And when you click here on, for example, on view all records, when I click here you can see all the stores, and here you can see there is actually 50 stores on this page, and there is more than 12,000 stores. There is more than 12,000 pages, which means there is more than 60,000 stores on this category alone. So what you need to do, you actually need to start opening these websites and you need to check them out. So for example, when I click here to open this website, here I can check out this website. Here you can see this is a live website, this is a live store. So you need to check out this store, you need to check out everything. So let me just close this. You need to check out everything. And what you need to do, you actually usually need to scroll down on the bottom or sometimes even on the top, and you need to click here on contact. And you need to contact the people who actually created this store. You can send them a message, or you can call them, or you can send them an email, as you can see here. And you need to offer them your service. Like I said, you need to check out their page, you need to check out their SEO, you need to check out their images. Maybe you can offer them better images, maybe you can make a sitemap for them, maybe you can optimize their website, maybe you can make social pages for them, maybe you can create Google ads or Facebook ads for them. You can offer your service, and you can send them a message, something like this, okay? Something like this, Control C, you can, here where it says store name, here you can actually add the name of their store. So let me just scroll here. Here you can see Snow Vision. You will add Snow Vision here where it says store name, right? And you will send them this message. And for example, if you're a graphic designer, you can also add this part here. As you can see, this is a really simple message, but this actually works. So after you send the message to people who actually created this store, all you have to do is just close this. And let me just open this, and you need to check out this page as well. Now sometimes this happens. You can see this store is not live anymore. It doesn't work. Now no problem, simply close this and go on another store. And this one doesn't work either. Doesn't matter, go on this store here. This doesn't work. It happens sometime. You need to go from store to see which of these stores works, and then you need to analyze that store, and you need to send them a message offering your service. Really simple, really easy. You will need to send quite a few messages. You will need to contact quite a few stores before you actually land a client. But trust me guys, you will land a client this way. And like I said, you can offer different kinds of services. You can use, for example, Harpa AI. That is a free Google Chrome that is a free ChatGPT extension that you can use to actually analyze SEO competition, yours and your client's competition. You can use that to analyze competition, and then you can simply go back here and send those analytic data to your client. You can also use ChatGPT to write articles or to write Facebook ads or Google ads for your clients. Just close this and then simply search here, for example, Google ads, okay? Google ads. And here you can see 7-click verticiller Google ads, ChatGPT only, ChatGPT 4 only. You can use these to write ads, articles, stuff like that. You can even use ChatGPT for analytics and other stuff to collect data and stuff like that. You can also go on Fiverr, for example, Fiverr, and you can hire someone here on Fiverr to do the work for you. So you will be basically a middleman and you will keep the difference. For some reason, Fiverr is slow. So for example, let's just say you need, for example, banner, okay? Banner. Okay, banner, and press enter, and here you can find people who will create different kind of banners for you, and here you can see they will charge only 10 euros, and you can go back here and you can charge, for example, 15 or 20 euros from your client to create a banner for them, and then you will pay 10 euros to this person here to create a banner for you. So basically you will keep 5 or 10 euros difference and you will make money. Really easy, really simple. But for the beginning, I would actually recommend for you personally to do the work. Later you can go and hire people to do the work for you. Trust me guys, this actually works and you can still make money online with Shopify without selling anything. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.